BeoPlay A2 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. With True360 Omni-directional sound. And introducing a sound technology that ensures the music experience is impressive. The intelligent smartphone charging will make sure you don't run out of battery so the music and your mobile device can keep going. That is designed to bring you music the way the artists intended it, authentic and clean. BeoPlay A2 features our True360 Omni-directional sound technology that lets everyone enjoy equally good sound no matter where they are placed. The rechargeable battery features patent-pending adaptive power management technology that promises to keep the party going. Shred your playlist at full volume for 3 hours. Dance the night away at 75% volume for 8 hours. Chill to favorite tunes 50% volume for 24 hours. Easy setup using the latest 4.0 Bluetooth technology that boasts best-in-class streaming performance. BeoPlay A2 remembers up to 8 users, and can play from 2 devices at a time so you can team up with friends. The BeoPlay A2 is a small, portable Bluetooth speaker made for taking your tunes on the go. It delivers clear, powerful performance that doesn't distort on deep bass tracks. It also has attractive, stylish design. With a clever twist, drivers on both sides of the speaker make for a wider field of sound that you can hear clearly no matter where you are in a room. The rectangular shape is actually far more staid than many of the company's more outlandish designs, but premium touches abound. The speaker measures 5.6 by 10.1 by 1.7 inches. The double-sided design of the BeoPlay A2 is another high point. No matter where you place the speaker, it pumps the same amount of sound from the front and back, which makes just about anywhere you stand a sweet spot. Unlike the quality is great. The material have a nice look and feel. To purchase BeoPlay A2 portable Bluetooth speaker, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.